Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to lock MI phone without pressing the power key. Most of the time, day by day, if we press every time the power key of MI phone or any phone, the power button destroyed. After a long time, it stop working. For that reason, I am uh, posting this video. Please subscribe my channel. I am showing you how to lock the phone without pressing the power key. First of all, you have to unlock the phone. Then go to the widgets menu. I am focusing. Pinch the display. Go to the widgets, and on the top of the screen there is a lock option. Lock. It will come if there is free space on your screen, it will come on screen, or if there is no free space, it will go anywhere of your file. And then click on this lock button. The phone will automatically lock. There is another way you can lock this phone without pressing the power button. If you down the shutter, you will found lock option on the navigation bar. Click on it and it will unlock. Again, I am saying I am using Poco X3 phone. It is awesome phone. It is always stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.